Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for yeast infection, easy method. Begin by diluting 1 drop oregano oil with 5 drops carrier oil for topical use. I cover safety steps, application timing, and patch testing to reduce risk. You will learn gentle washing, focused application, and how often to repeat treatment. This guidance is practical, cautious, and aimed at helping you decide when to seek professional care. Start by washing hands and the affected area with mild soap and warm water, then pat dry. Mix 1 drop oregano oil with 5 drops carrier oil in a clean bowl and stir gently. Apply a tiny amount to inner forearm and wait 24 hours to check for irritation before vaginal use. If no reaction occurs, use a fresh cotton swab for targeted application and never reuse swabs to reduce contamination. If this content is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasant car scent after long health runs or clinic visits. It makes the drive home nicer and less clinical. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Apply diluted oregano oil gently to external affected skin using a clean cotton swab once daily at first, then up to twice daily if tolerated. Do not insert oil internally or use on mucous membranes without medical guidance, and discontinue if you experience burning or severe redness. Keep treatment short-term and track symptoms. If irritation or no improvement after a few days, contact a healthcare provider for evaluation and alternative options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.